Do you care for your body as well as you do your face? Regardless if you're on a glutathione routine or you're doing MSM, you can do different topicals that don't have to be very harsh. You can basically mix together your own little mixture, use it at home. We're finally just in an era where it's normal to use retinoids not only on your face but on your body. I know when I was experimenting with it like 5 years ago, like people thought I was crazy for adding tretinoin to my body lotion, and now it's just like even Olay has their own retinoid body wash. So it's gaining more traction. Thank goodness. I wanted to list a couple of different products. If you guys are on Patreon, you've already heard all about these, but for my YouTube babes, one of them is Naturium. They have all types of like body washes. They have like a glow gutter, they have a glycolic acid body wash, they have a hyaluronic acid body wash, though if you get that one, just understand that's mostly just for hydration. Quick tip, if you are ever making your own skin resurfacing body washes at home, I have on Patreon a DIY of how to make your own. Always add in some hyaluronic acid powder, which of course I have that on Patreon too. Always add that to whatever mixture it is, whether it's a vitamin C body wash or you're doing an alpha arbutin one. Whatever you're doing, just add that just to help with just keeping your moisture and not basically always having like ashy dry skin, because you can definitely overwork it, especially if you're using it like every day. Another one, if you're okay with spending a little money, is Necessaire. They have a daily body serum. So think about like a serum you'd use on your face. This one is all over for your body. This is like an AHA, BHA resurfacing body peel. It's a daily body peel though. So I don't want to like scare anyone. It's not like one of those like the SHC glutathione body peel where it's like it's a 14-day process. This is like a daily body peel, so it'll help you peel little by little by little. You can safely use it every single day. Like I said, it is kind of pricey. I want to say it's closer to $50. This is amazing if you have like KP or if you have body acne. It's going to basically get rid of it. Your skin is going to be so smooth, so bright, but also it's going to help uneven and dull skin tones. So using this serum underneath any topical that you have, this is like going to take it up a notch. So yeah, it's kind of pricey, but it's worth it. Another thing you can do is that you can get your own prescription strength tretinoin cream, basically mailed to your house. Now we have a ton of like online doctors and dermatologists, and you don't even need insurance. I've done some of these before. It was tretinoin, like the same tretinoin I would get from seeing like an in-person dermatologist. It was like the same thing, but I paid about $100, which when I go to see an actual dermatologist, I still pay that much for the visit. So yeah, I want to say it was around 140 because I think they'll charge you for like the online visit, which is like $40, but it was worth it. So if you guys want to do that, whether you have insurance or not, you can use that. Another that I'm using right now is actually adapalene. So adapalene, you've already heard it before. If you ever see Differin, that's basically the brand name. So there's different types of, well, there's not different types. They're all the same as far as like the percentage. So you can get the adapalene that's by the brand Differin, or you can get the adapalene that's by La Roche-Posay. I'm using that one, and I've been using it for months. Every time I get away from it, I am reminded of how amazing it is. I use it primarily, the adapalene, on my face and on my back. It basically resurfaces your skin. You don't know it, but you have a lot of dead skin. You have a lot of unevenness. Once you start like using it, I would say around the 3-week mark is when you really start to notice, like, not only is it gonna like clear your skin, but it's gonna even it up. If like, for me, I've had like blackheads that are just kind of always there. They never really come to the top. It's hard to really pick at it. And after like a couple of weeks of getting back on adapalene, like they're all coming to the surface. It's amazing. It'll make your skin so smooth, and basically it just works by cell turnover. So it just ups the cell turnover. Naturally our skin does that, but it's usually on a 90 to 120 day cycle. And I'm sorry, but who has time for 3 to 4 months of having the same uneven patches and blackheads and just no one has time for that. So this just speeds it up faster. The adapalene is different than the tretinoin. You can use either or, but I would say for the tretinoin, there are some rules that you need to stick to when using it. The adapalene is more user friendly. I'm going to make a video on Patreon about that, just getting into it. But either way, I've used them both. I love the results of both. And so whichever you can get your hands on, get it. If you are going to be using it in a lotion, what I would do is instead of pouring it inside of your entire lotion bottle, I would go ahead and divvy up enough lotion in like one of those little travel size containers and add it to there. So then you have like enough lotion for the week, and then you can just add more to the mixture as you go, because adding it all to like a giant thing of lotion, it'll like lose its active state over time, and also you don't know how much you're really getting in each squirt. So either squirt out the lotion in your hands and put a pea size of the adapalene or the tretinoin in each, I guess, handful of lotion and go by section on your body, or like I said, get the little travel size lotion containers, put your favorite lotion in there, and then mix it in there. For those of you who are super new to skin lightening and you need like one-on-one guidance, we're talking about like weekly video calls, you need your own basically skin lightening or supplement kind of like daily planner, something like that. I do have like a VIP tier on Patreon. It's like the ultimate skin lightening guidance. So this is for people who either you are really, really lost or you've already tried everything and you're just not getting anywhere. And yeah, basically like we do check-ins, we go over whatever you're using, we basically change whatever brands and I guess different lotions you're using. We'll tweak them, either have you make some of your own or kind of switch them out. And yeah, it's kind of one of those things where it's very specific to you and personalized. So there's that, or there's just like the regular, just be a Patreon member. And so you basically have access to all of my videos that are on there, which there is a ton. There's a ton of not only videos, but also like posts. So for those of you who would rather just read or click on the link of some of these products that I talk about, like it's all there in a condensed version. So you don't have to like listen to the whole video. So yeah, check out that.